Hi there, whoever's watching. This is going to be our Programming 3 assignment. It's from Felix Diaz and Ryan Velasquez, and it's to model a travel agency in a multi-threaded environment. So here we go. Okay, so let's test it out. So as you can see, we have one server and two clients. Well, three windows. One is going to be server. That's the server right there. As you can see, it lists all the flights. 10 flights, 100 seats. So that's 10,000 seats total. And both clients have started. So Felix is going to take this client. So he's going to say log on, and he's going to put his username as FDS. As you can see, he logged on to the server. And I'm going to do the same, but I'm lazy, so I'm just going to put Ryan. There you go. Cool. So now that we're both logged on, we'd like to test out some of the functionalities that the client can do. For example, querying a flight. Felix just queried Miami to Orlando, and as you can see, it has 10 seats available. I would just like to list so I could see all the flights. And I see all 10 flights, 100 seats each. Now, Felix is going to come and reserve some seats just to prove that we have that functionality. So he's going to reserve Miami to Orlando, and he's going to reserve 5 seats. And as you can see, 5 seats were bought. I'd like to list to see if that list was updated for me, and as you can see, it was 10, now 5. And I would like to reserve the other 5 just to see it go down to 0. Oh, Miami. Sorry, and Miami to Orlando. So I'll reserve the other 5. And as you can see, he's going to list it. So you'll see it's at 0 right there. And now he's going to return some of those seats back. So he'll return, say 3. Now when he returns those seats, I'd like to check just to see if it was updated. And as you can see, there it is. Miami to Orlando has now 3 seats, where it previously had 0. So the reserve and return works, and so does the list. But just to prove the rest of the list works, we're going to list just some of them. So we'll use list n as the function, where he lists 3. So it's just 3 of them. And I'm just going to list the available ones. So I'm going to take out the ones that have 0. So we'll list 3 of them. Alright, cool. So now that we have that, we're going to test out the chat. So he's going to enter the chat. So it's enter chat and then the username. And you see he entered the chat. And I'll do the same with our original usernames that we used to log into the server, although they don't have to be the same. Now that we're both in the chat, I would like to text him a message. So text hello chat. And as you can see, he received it there. And now he's going to text me back. Let's see, text hello Ryan. Nice. So as you can see, I received it as well. Now that we're both receiving messages from each other, we'll just exit the chat. And as you can see, leaving chat room takes you right back to the server. So it's not like it ends the program or anything. Now that we're back in the server, we're going to come back to the chat, test a few more functions. So as you see, we're back in the chat, and we're listing the users that are online, and we'll list the users that are, well, sorry, we did it twice. That was an edit right there, sorry about that. It's just kind of forgot the command for a second. But anyway, exit chat, and we listed the people online. We'll list the people that were offline, as you can see. So FDS was offline before the edit, and now you can see it again. Now the server can list all the people that are online. So you can see FDS is online. I am currently offline. As you can see from my screen that says client, so I'm not in chat. And the server wants to exit, but before the server can exit, so that there's no problems, we will safely log off. So as I log off, as you can see, it logs me off. Now Felix is in the chat, so he has to exit the chat before he logs off. So as you can see, it takes him back to the server, and then it'll log him off. And now the server is safe to exit. And that's pretty much the whole assignment. Now we're going to do a dummy test where it's just going to be a lot of clients doing a multi-threaded environment with mass commands, just to prove that it runs safely and there's no problems. So we're just letting it run, and as you can see, all the commands are coming out just fine. Now that it looks like it's pausing because there's sleeps in between, so you could see them. It was a little fast before, but that's pretty much everything. And thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it, and we really learned a lot from this assignment. Thank you.